This is great opportunity and great platform to be in. I am very happy to let you guys know that we are now 100 members. This is incredible, guys. It has been a very long journey for me, and it has been very, very challenging because of past experiences, because of failed platforms in the past. That is the reason why people are a bit skeptical about PopMax. But I tell you what, it has been 5 months now that I have been in PopMax, and it has been rocking solid. When I mean rocking solid, it has been consistent in every single thing that they are doing, right? As you all know, the PPT, which is the POP token, has been listed in NIVEX. I'm going to do a separate video for that, but this video is mainly for you guys to be aware that we are still growing in PopMax. Some people are asking me the other day, Bright, are you sure PopMax is still available? Are you sure they are still operating? I've not seen you recorded any video. And I said to them, I do not have to record video every day for PopMax because PopMax is legit and I don't have any worry at all. I have no bother about PopMax. Once you register, you will continue to earn your 1% daily if you deposit and stake your money. Okay, the good thing is we are 100 members today, and you are also able to start the platform with $100, which is great. So that being said, this is my total team members. As you can see, okay, we are now 100 team members, and my total team contribution is $26,243.129. What a great pleasure to just see this figure going up every single day. Now, speaking of when I started PopMax, as I said earlier in this video, that it has been 5 months. Take a look at this date. This is 22nd of May. Okay, so this is, I think, 1 month after my testing, because what I do is I usually test these platforms for about 1 month. Okay, that's the longest I will test the platform before I want to introduce it to my team members. So as you can see, my very first pool bonus that I got, okay, was on the 22nd of May. 22nd of May. So from May till this day that I'm recording this video, this is on the 9th of September. So that is 5 months, guys. This platform has been rocking solid since I joined. If you want to add the month that I tested it, okay, which is 1 month prior to May, that will make it 6 months I have been in this platform. So I cannot fault this platform at all. The only thing that I have to let you guys know is, for those of you that are joining right now, if you are joining after watching this video, I want to let you guys know that the 360 days, 1% per day, this staking option, they are looking to just, deactivate this 360 days. I don't know what they are going to use to replace it, but as of 23rd, they said this is going to be deactivated. So I think they are saying that by 23rd of September, this 360 days, this option of staking will be decommissioned. So you have between now and 23rd of September to actually get on board and select the 360 days contract or staking period and then get in. You need to get in, guys. This platform has been rocking solid. As I said, there is no issues at all with this. You can deposit, you will stake for 360 days, which is the highest paying staking period. You can go for 180 days, which is 0.8% per day for 180 days. You can go for the 90 days, which is 3 months, right? And you will earn 0.6% per day. You can even go lower than that, say 30 days, only 1 month, right? And then you will earn 0.5%. And then you can go even only 10 days just to try it out with only 10 days. Okay. And then you will earn 0.4% on any amount that you are using to stake in this platform. Okay. Just remember that this has been in existence since I joined it 6 months ago. It was around February, January this year that this was launched. Okay. So it has been this long. For those of you that are asking questions about the longevity of this platform, it has a solid background and good people, great partnership with notable people in the industry that are supporting this project. And the good thing is, out of all of these 10 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360 days, at the end of your contract, the money that you use to deposit, your initial deposit, will be given back to you. How sweet is that? Okay, so if you start today with $100, you are going to be giving back that $100 when you complete your contract term. So guys, don't sit on this, because you have between now and 23rd of September, 23rd of this month. Otherwise, you are going to end up with only 180 days contract, which is going to be giving you 0.8% on a daily basis. Instead of you getting 180 days contract, why don't you go for 360 and hurry up to get on board? What do you need to get on board? 2 things only. Minimum of $100 in USDT BEP20 or USDT BNB Smart Chain. And then you need extra $10 or $15 worth of BNB for your gas fees. So altogether, you will be needing $110 or $115 to get started in PopMax. PPT has been listed in 4 different exchanges. In case if you are wondering where to get the PPT token, it is listed in 4 exchanges. Okay. And they are going to be listing it in more exchanges in the next few months to come, right? So guys, as I said, just to round up what I have told you so far, to let you guys know that 360 days contract is ending on the 23rd of September. And also to let you know that I have been in this platform for 5 months, still counting. And also within these 5 months, I have been able to get only 100 team members. Okay, level 1 and level 2 team members up to 100. And the total amount they have contributed is $26,000. So it's not easy to get a team that is going to invest $26,000 into a platform. So kudos to all my team members, and kudos to those my team members that are actually referring and sharing this opportunity with their friends and family. Without you guys, I wouldn't achieve this. So I want to say thank you for believing in PopMax, and thank you for trusting me to sign up for PopMax. And for those of you that are still sitting on the fence thinking that PopMax is going to collapse, because some people told me that the first month that I introduced it, which is in May, some people came to my private message and said, "Oh, Bright, I don't think this is going to last." And I said to them, well, let's wait and see. So those people, they are still sitting on the fence. They are still praying for the downfall of a platform that is actually thriving and getting supported by major partners in this space, right? So if you are in their Telegram group, official Telegram group of PopMax, you will know that the platform is thriving every single day. Okay, so that's me, guys. Thank you very much. If you would like to join my team and increase the number of my team, of course, we are just 100, so I will keep growing the team until, you know, I reach maybe 1,000, 2,000 members, which is going to be great, because this is a long-term platform that is going to last us for a very long time. All right, so if you are looking for something like that, then by all means use the link below this video description to sign up, and you know, who knows, you may be one of the highest contributors to this platform if you are able to deposit 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's entirely up to you. You are going to be earning 1%, okay, consistently on this platform. And remember that your auto compounding button has to be switched on as well. As you can see, bottom right here, my auto compounding button is switched on, so you can auto compound as well in this platform, just so you know. All right, so thank you, guys, and as I said, I will see you in my team. For those of you that are looking for a stable, consistent platform, and you would like to earn 1% daily for the next 360 days, and then you will also like your capital to be given back to you, if you like all of these points that I have mentioned and you would like to join my team, by all means use the link below this video description to do so, and I will see you in my team shortly. Thank you and God bless.